You just pull the gauge cluster forward. Then you're going to reach right up in the back here. See if I can show you all. Let me rotate this gauge cluster. Pull the gauge cluster out. You're going to remove these 4 screws right here on the back. By the way, guys, these torque bit screws, they are a T15. Double check that one. Pull each one of the screws out so you don't lose them. Undo the 2 clips on the side, right here and right here. You can pull the gauge cluster apart. And there's that. Undo the clip right here on the top of the TV, what I call it a TV, the LCD screen. So the 2 clips there and there. So it will slide right up out of this track. Then you can reach up under there with your trusty snap-on pick and unplug the plug. That's kind of tricky. I don't think I'll be able to show you. But I'm going to get it unplugged. Here, guys, I can show you with it out. It's just really difficult to get up in there at that angle and show you how to release that clip. On the back of this LCD screen, the cover right there flips up. And this is the other one. You flip it up, pop that your cable wire out, and do the exact opposite on the new one. Take the new one, pop that flap up, set the screen in place. I ain't about to do it and show you at the same time. Alright, guys, there's new LCD screen stuck in place. Pull the plastic tab off the front right there, the protective cover. Well, I guess technically you could leave it on. And then flip your gauge cluster over and reinstall the gauge cluster together, or put it together, excuse me. Now you're going to reinstall your not your clips. You got the clips on the side of the gauge cluster. We did those. Now you're going to reinstall the screws on the back of the gauge cluster. And gently now we're going to take the gauge cluster and put it back up in the dash. Alright, guys, then if you want, just for reassurance purposes, you can take your key, stick it in there before you hook the gauges and everything back up, hook your battery back up, turn it on, and there you go. Yeah, you're going to have to reprogram your radio stations and whatnot. Now we got that done. Then we'll reinstall the gauge cluster correctly. We'll get the screws back in it. We'll get this video finished up for y'all. Alright, guys, once you got that gauge cluster remounted with the screws, now you can simply get your plastic cover And it goes over top of the steering wheel column. Snap it down. Like I said, it's just got on with these little one-way clips. And slide the cover right here up over the top of the column. Snap it down. Put the steering wheel back in place where the customer had it. Whoops. We turn the wipers on. And there we go, guys. There's the old one. That's how you replace your LCD screen on your Ford Escape and a Ford Fusion. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.